Hey, it's Kamala here from Creative Moms Decant, and I am showing you the ColorStreet fall line. I sold these as mystery bundles in my VIP group, and I want to show you what I got as a stylist for the ColorStreet fall of 2022 line. Let's go.
You're like a circle that floats around me, keeping me.
So this is the paint stripe one. I'll give you the name. Feeling Paint. It is a light blue and it has fun blue shade stripes. This is actually one of my favorites right on top. And I'm going to say that so many times, but maybe just for the top. This one I also love too. This is Stay in Check, and it's a green plaid. This is the one that's been floating around, Heavy Smoke and Mirrors. If you haven't seen it yet, you should definitely check out one of my graphics because it is a super pretty purple, and it's, variegated, so it's just a really pretty purple. No Holding Black. This is a glitter overlay. Another glitter overlay. This one is Better Safe Than Starry. Super pretty overlay. Woo, I threw that one. I'm excited about this overlay. This one is out of line, so just a squirrely pattern, and they're already doing some fun stuff with this one as an overlay. This one is one of my favorites, Espresso Yourself. Maple Me Crazy, isn't that one gorgeous? I absolutely love this one. That's going to be so fun for pairing with all your fall looks. This is that Caramine Shine, and if you want to try that one, you just have to reach out to me and join my Facebook group if you're not already a VIP, and I'm happy to get you a sample. I got 2 of those. That's exciting. Figure It Out, and I got 2 of these. This is a really pretty purple-ish blue. I think they're saying that more blue is what they think in the sunshine, and I would agree with that. It's kind of a hint of purple in a navy. That one's really pretty. Oh my gosh, this one is gorgeous. Into the Crystal Ball, and it is a silver with blue specks of glitter, and it is gorgeous. So this is Morganite Delight, and it is a really pretty tan or kind of beiges with like a goldish brown glitter. It's really, really pretty. And another one, ooh, I'm so glad I have 2 of those. Another one that doesn't show well on camera. This is pretty, Golden Rule. And it is like a yellow mustard background with gold glitter. And it's really pretty. Yay, 2 of those. So this one is Supernova. And it is a really pretty dark blue, a few specks of reddish or pink, and then mostly purple and blue. I'm going to bet that this is a prism one, and it is gorgeous. Very last, I have the new French, which I'm really excited about because, as you can tell on my nails now, I'm already into the slanted look, and this is a slanted French, and it's called the Right Angle. Very clever. So this is the set that I got, and before I go, I wanted to tell you, you already know I love the remover if you have been following me, and I am very much in love with the cuticle oil and the nail strengthener. I am coming from someone who had acrylic nails all the time, and I am growing my nails, and they are much healthier and super strong even when crafting. Thank you so much for watching. Have a joyful day. Bye.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection.